lifted up, you ancient doors, that the King of glory may come in. Is this King of glory? The Lord strong and mighty, the Lord mighty in battle. So lift up your heads, gates, lift them up, ancient doors, that the King of glory may come in. Who is he? This King of glory, the Lord Almighty. He is the King of glory.
Àdániwáyé, Adùnbárìn, Adùnképe, Afúnimásìrègún, Àdìtú Elédùmarè, Adúrótini ní ọjọ́ ìṣòro, àìdíbàjẹ́, àìkú, àìṣá, ajagunmáfitìbọ̀ṣe.
He's the creator of man and earth, a delight to follow, a delight to call on, the one that gives and no one can take away, the God that reveals mysteries, the one who is by us in times of trouble. He's incorruptible, he's eternal, he's unchanging, the warrior that needs no weapons.
Ajagun ṣẹ́gun, àjíǹde àti ìyè, ajíṣẹwà, àjọkí ayé àṣàkẹ́ ọ̀run, akiriṣore, aṣoríkiri, alágbàlá ìyanu, alágbára lọ́run àti láyé, alágbára tí kìí bá tì.
The one who fights and conquers. He's the resurrection and the life. The beautiful one. The one who looks after the whole world. The custodian of heaven. He goes about doing good. He does good everywhere. The one with a courtyard full of miracles. The mighty one of heaven and earth. The powerful one that never fails.
Alágbàwí ẹ̀dá, alákòóso ọ̀run àti ayé, aláṣẹ láyé àti lọ́run, àgbà ńlá tó solé ayé ró, àríkíkí ọpọlọ nínú ọpọlọ, àrí ìró àlá, arínúróde olùmọ̀ràn ọkọ̀ ẹ̀dá, arúgbó ọjọ́, àtógbójúlé, àtóbájayé.
He's our advocate, director of the affairs of heaven and earth, the one who has the final say in heaven and on earth, the mighty one that holds the world, the wisest one, the one that is beyond our imagination, the one who sees men inside and out and knows the intent of the heart. He's the ancient of days, the one who is dependable, the one that makes life worth living.
Àtòbíjù, àtòfarati, àtòfarati bí òkè, àtòfọkàntàn, àtògbọ́kànlé àwọn amárídìí àwímáyẹ̀wò, àyìnyìn tó ọba ògo elétí gbáròyé ẹlẹ́yinjú àánú.
He's the greatest one, the one we can depend on, the mountain we can lean on, the one we can confide in, the one we can trust, the one who is past finding out. He speaks and does not rescind his words. The King of glory that we can never praise enough. The one who can hear every supplication. The one whose eyes are full of mercy.
Ẹlẹ́yinjú ìmọ́lẹ̀, ẹlẹ́yinjú iná, gbanigbani ní ijó ìṣòro, gbanigbani àsáyá, ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ àti òpin, ibi ìsádiwa, ọba aláyà funfun, ọba àṣekọ̀mákù, ọba aṣíwájú ohun gbogbo, ọba ilé tìlú kára bí ajere.
The one whose eyes is full of light. The one with eyes of fire. The one who saves in days of trouble. The Savior we can run to. The first and the last. He's our refuge, the Immaculate King, the King that leaves nothing undone, the King that controls all things, the King whose ears are always listening to our call.
Ọba oníṣẹ́ àrà, ọba tó ń dáhùn àdúrà, ọba tó mú ìbànújẹ́ lọ, ọba tó mú ìjì dákẹ́ rọ́rọ́, ọba tó ṣẹ́gun agbára ẹ̀ṣẹ̀, ọba tó ṣẹ́gun agbára èṣù, ọba jáde nílé má tán nílé, alágbára bí àrá, ẹlẹ́bùrú ìkẹ́, òkè lẹ́yìn onígbàgbọ́.
The King that performs miracles, the God that answers prayers, the King who takes away our sorrows, the King who stills the storm, the King who conquered the power of sin, the King who conquered the power of Satan, the King that leaves home and is still at home, the one whose power is like thunder, the one that overflows with care, the mountain behind every believer.
Àkìkìtàn Elédùmarè.
The God whose praise is inexhaustible.
Ọba tí a yìn tá ò lè yìn tán.
The King that we praise but can never exhaust his praise.
Ọba tí a kì